Hi friends, today we are doing something called cartooning, and cartooning is basically when you just draw faces the way you would see on a cartoon. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by doing different kinds of eyes. So go ahead and think about different shapes, and that's how we're gonna draw our cartoons. So let's start with eyes, and we're going to do some circles. So let's just do some circles together. And then I'm going to put some little circles inside of the big circles. So that's a really simple eye you can do. I'm also going to do ovals. So let's start with ovals, ovals. And you could color, depending on where you want the eyes to look, they could look up, down, to the side. They could look at each other in the middle. You can color a section of the eye like that, and then using a curvy line, just color a section of the eye. There we go. So circles, ovals. Could we make eyes that are a different shape? Sure. Let's try rectangle eyes. So we're going to do rectangle eyes, rectangle eyes. So you just make two rectangles, and you can decide what shape you want to do in the middle. I think I'm going to have these eyes look at each other. So I'm going to do two lines, 1, 2, kind of like squares in the middle. And then I just color the inside. Those are rectangle eyes. You could do another kind of oval eye. I kind of call these crazy eyes. So you would do a circle in the middle like this, where they kind of look like, oh, surprise. But then if you wanted them to look kind of crazy, do wavy lines in the middle. Wavy lines, wavy lines, wavy lines, just like that. So that kind of looks like you haven't slept or they're feeling crazy at the moment. I'm going to do some upside down triangles. And try that. Upside down triangles. And you could just put a dot in the middle, and those would look like eyes. If you wanted to do squares, you could do squares. So there's all kinds of different eyes that you can do. Eyes are, I think the eyes are the most fun. I really like doing eyes. And you could do a little square in the middle, and you could just leave it like that. You don't even have to color it in. I'm going to do one more kind of circle eye. These are called hypnotized. So you start in the middle, see that? And then you make a curve around. So start in the middle, curve around. That one's a little bit trickier, so I'll show you again. Start in the middle, curve around, just like that. And then those are kind of like magic eyes or hypnotized eyes, okay? Now for noses, you could do the same shapes, just make them a little bit smaller. You could do a nose like this, which I know looks a little funny, but if you could do a nose that's a line and this, something like that. You could just do 2 dots for a nose. That's another way to do it. You could do a shape for a nose, like an oval or a circle. There's so many different ways to do noses. You could do a little triangle for a nose, depending on what you're drawing. So that's very easy to do the noses. Now, let's try, oh, there's one more silly nose I want to show you. I always kind of like drawing a trunk, like an elephant. So see, I do 2 curvy lines for a nose. Then I do a shape there, a circle, then 2 dots. I don't know if you can see that, 2 dots. There we go. And then I just put some lines going up the trunk, and then it kind of looks like an elephant's trunk. So if you were making a cartoon or a monster, that would be kind of a fun nose to do. You could also do 2 humps like this for a nose, or you could make kind of like a pig nose, something like that. Okay, let's try mouths. So here's our eyes. These are our noses. Let's try some different kinds of mouths. Mouths are really fun too. You could do a happy mouth. You could do a sad mouth. You could do a wavy mouth, different kinds of lines. You could do a zigzag mouth. That might be like an angry mouth. You can add 2 lines. So you could do a happy mouth like this. You could also add teeth if you want to add teeth like that. You could do a rectangle and add teeth, and that kind of mouth could be happy or sad or angry, depending on what the eyes and the rest of the face look like. You could also try to add a tongue. So you could just add a mouth like this. That's an oval, add a line at the top, and add some teeth. And then maybe have the tongue sticking out. And you kind of draw a line for the tongue. Color the mouth. So there's so many different things you can do. Here's the eyes, here's some noses, here's our mouth. So then what I usually like to do is just put it all together. So you can kind of look at your ideas. You can even draw your own. Draw your own kind of eye, draw your own kind of nose or mouth. And let's try putting them together. So I'm going to look at what I did. I think I'm gonna start with these eyes. So I'm gonna do a circle and another circle. And then I'm going to do my kind of crazy eyes, hypnotized eyes, magic eyes, like this. Then I'm gonna look at my noses. Maybe I will do that trunk, that crazy trunk that I like doing. And then do like a circle here, 2 lines. And let's do some lines here to add some details. So that's the nose. And for the mouth, I think I'm going to do like kind of a big open mouth with some teeth. And you can decide what this is. I'm not sure what it is. You could add hair. You could add ears. And then you have kind of a funny looking cartoon character that you've created. It's up to you. So go ahead and draw your own. You can use different kinds of eyes, different kinds of noses, different kinds of mouths, and just practice doing those. And then when you put all the parts together, you can come up with something that is your own cartoon. Okay, friends, have fun. I can't wait to see your cartoons. Bye-bye.